Guys, coaching business is basically a type of business which helps people to solve problems with effective methods and training. Today we are going to share how you can build your online fitness coaching business with step-by-step process. And yes, you can make six-figure income with this online fitness coaching business. So watch this full video to learn how to start and run online fitness coaching business. Step 1. Think about benefits and outcome. This all depends on your past experience, or if you have built good health by yourself or for others. If you lost weight in the last few months and achieved good fitness then, you can easily teach people how you can get in shape within a few months. You need to figure out the best and healthy process to get more benefits with your coaching program. Outcome is the most important factor when starting your own fitness coaching business. Also, you will need to be well confident with your coaching program, which you want to offer thousands of your clients. Step 2. Identify your ideal customers or clients. If you want to target all the people on the earth, then you will fill in a few months. You must need to understand which type and group of people can take advantage of your fitness coaching program. As example, if your fitness coaching program is just for after pregnancy ladies, then you just need to focus on those type of people who search for how to lose weight and become fit and healthy after pregnancy. Step 3. Build a website name and social media pages. Building a website is the most important step for all people who want to start online coaching program. You need to decide best, short and good brand name for your business, so people can easily understand your business name and website address. You can take help of web developers or build your own website on WordPress platform. There are thousands of tutorials on YouTube where you can learn how to set up your WordPress website with few steps. Also create social media pages and groups to connect with more people. Step 4. Get legal license. You must need to find your state laws and license permit requirements before setting up your online fitness coaching business. Contact any business registration service provider and ask for all necessary documents required for starting an online coaching business. Legal documents can be different in different countries and states, so better to contact your local business administration department for more detailed information. And step 5, write a step-by-step business plan to get started. Write all steps which you need to do in your first year of your fitness coaching journey. It can be like journal or plan which you help understand and keep focus in the right direction. You can also learn how to write a business plan by watching this video. Also like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.